Driving a steam train.
Well, there you go. Thanks.
And,
Were y'all built it in?
yes.
Okay.
Ashley was with me yesterday.
It was?
So be good. Don't bother them too much, okay?
I know.
You have a job to do here.
I know.
We're on already. You know, for a second, that song, when you first hear it, it sounds like the theme song for The Office.
Yeah, the piano part, yeah.
Yeah, I was just like,
But it's a little slower.
yeah.
Wait, what are you talking about?
The
the
show The
parade.
Office?
Okay.
Sounds like the Frozen song.
The TV show.
Okay.
The comedy.
Thanks. This time you are with me the whole trip?
Now, same thing as yesterday.
Okay.
You'll have Kara and Nick.
Fine. Yesterday I had Eric and Edgar.
Yeah.
They
You have
were-
fun?
Yes. They drove the locomotive really fast on the hill behind the Big Thunder Ranch.
Oh,
Oh, yeah.
that's good.
Did you ever stall there?
Stop there?
Stall on the hill behind the Big Thunder Ranch.
No, it's not really that steep, so.
Okay. It used to be.
Yeah, it used to be.
Yeah.
How long are you working here?
A long time, like
Yeah, she's
7
been here
years.
longer.
She's here longer than you? So why isn't she driving?
We
I know
we
it-
alternate.
Yeah, we
okay.
switch her in
I
there.
know that it's fireman then engineer in the training.
Yep.
Because I'm being nice.
Yeah. She's being nice and she's letting me drive.
You know, which is very nice.
We should go though, because Casey lives like
I know.
that point. I don't know where they live, but So where are you from?
Israel,
Israel.
yes.
Oh, I thought you had an accent.
We don't have accent.
You don't. We have the accent.
Okay.
Oh.
Do you think the restoration improves number 4?
Do I think what?
Do you think the restoration improves number 4?
Yeah, I do. It used to have a flat spot on the wheel on this side, so it's a lot smoother.
Okay. And are you waiting for the return of number 1?
Yes, I want to see what they've done to it. I think they've done.
Rod bearing replacement. That's what I want on here.
What do you want?
Rod bearing replacement. The last ones were loud clanking.
Oh, yes, that's right. Yeah, I'm sure they're going to take care of all of that. So are you living here now, or are you just visiting?
Visiting.
Okay.
What's your favorite?
Engine 3.
He said the same.
Yeah, it's just, it runs well no matter what, really.
Okay.
A lot of trash on the track.
Hello. But that's fine. My favorite ride at the whole park because I'm a Railfan.
Yeah.
Thanks.
We'll have
The electricians
a
came
nice
out.
Christmas trip.
What do you mean? The electricians, the battery operated by the alternator in 501?
Well, it's our light electricians for our cab light.
Okay, so
Read the red or read the yellow?
Oh, was it
are you going to handle a locomotive without light?
What's that?
Are you going to handle a locomotive without lights?
Oh, I'm gonna handle it now. Yeah.
So you fire? Yes?
Yeah, I'm the fire.
And Kara is our engineer.
Kara's the engineer.
How's it going?
Fine, the best ride. Of course, open the injector to prevent a kaboom.
Right. It's water and
I know.
steam injector.
You have to turn the water first, then the steam. If
Yep.
steam goes through the overflow, bad day.
Yeah.
The injector overheats and you have to wait for it to cool down.
Yeah.
True.
I know everything. And both injectors on this engine are live injectors.
They are. So you don't have to tell you anything. That makes our job easy.
Even easier.
So you know a lot about the engines, huh?
Yes, I know a lot about steam engines and how they operate. What I want to do when I grow up, I want to program a video game simulator based on the Disneyland Railroad.
Oh, that'd be awesome.
Yes. Would you like to test the games because you are driving the real thing?
Yeah, that'd be cool. How old are you?
I'm 18.
Oh, nice.
Okay.
So, did you already start working on the game?
Not yet. I have to learn 3D programming and multiplayer. I wanted to be multiplayer because single player and this route will not go very well.
Understand. Where are you going to go to school to do that?
I study programming at home.
Cool. You live nearby?
No, in Israel.
Live in Israel?
Yes.
How long have you been here?
That's my third day.
Today's your third day?
Yes.
Awesome.
And my second cab ride.
Awesome.
Thanks.
Are you here with family?
Yes, but they allowed me to Railfan by myself.
Good for you.
Thanks. You probably saw me filming a lot.
Yeah, I've seen you not yesterday, but the day before.
Okay.
I think you're sitting behind me.
Okay. What we really need to do is at this area bring back the observation platform that used to be there.
I didn't know that used to be there.
All the employees will tell you.
I didn't know there was an observation platform. Right there?
That was before I was here.
Before Haunted Mansion Fast Pass.
Oh.
So it's been going for over 7 years.
Yeah.
There was also one at Tomorrowland station.
Really?
Yes. I know this from an old green book called Welcome Aboard the Disneyland Railroad that I like to read.
Oh, okay. So are you filming this so you can study it later so you can make your game?
Yes. I also recently got another book called How a Steam Locomotive Really Works with a lot of things about heat transfer and such that will also help me do the physics of the game.
Gotcha.
And I study programming in parallel.
That's cool. What's your name?
Itai.
Sai?
Itai.
Ty?
E-T-A-Y.
E-D-A-Y?
Yes.
I'm Mick.
Thanks. And Kara is driving.
Yep.
I know you're just getting ready for the hill behind the jamboree.
Yep.
Very good whistling, Kara.
What was that?
Kara sounded the whistle very nicely.
Yeah, she did. She's a good engineer.
Okay. You fired to her a lot?
Huh?
So you fired a lot with her?
I always fire.
Ah, you knew?
Yeah.
Okay. Don't worry, your promotion will come. The pressure is kept very steady.
Yeah, that's true.
A little below where it should.
Nice run, Kara.
What's nice try? To go up the hill?
Huh?
What's nice? Nice try for what?
Oh, that was a nice run up the river.
Yes, it was awesome. Are you, Shelby and Ashley, the only female engineers here?
No, it's myself, Leah, Jessica, Shelby,
Many.
Barbara.
Barbara.
So 6?
Yeah, we're from 6.
Okay, that's fine. They are very rare, but they are very good. Female engineers are rare, but good.
What's that?
Female engineers, they are rare, but they are good.
Yeah.
So, it looks like we made it before the frozen float.
Yeah.
We raced them yesterday as well.
We'll probably let them cross first and then let us cross.
Okay.
Frozen flood. So they haven't even really started rolling out. We're crossing here.
What's your favorite ride besides the train?
I don't know. Maybe Splash Mountain, California Screaming, something, one of the roller coasters.
Oh, that's cool.
But
I love Splash Mountain.
because we can see you.
Yeah.
I never caught the video of the train when they have the zippity-doo-dah scene.
You know, every single time I've been on Splash Mountain, I have never seen the train go by.
Oh, me too.
I'm always like, come on, come on, come on. Nothing. Every time.
Okay.
And I always get so upset.
Okay. Did you fire engine number 1 or got hired after she went?
I got hired on after CK Holiday left.
Okay.
So I didn't get a chance to fire it yet.
Okay.
But I will.
You will. She is not EP. She's not exactly like EP Ripley.
Right. They're a lot alike.
But
They're also a lot
they
very
are
different.
mechanically they are alike, but in the personality they are not.
Too. Right.
I heard number 2 is not a good steaming and it's not an easy steaming engine.
Actually, it's really easy to fire.
Okay.
I love firing too.
Okay.
It's just simple.
So, okay. Every biodiesel burner is simple to fire. As long as it's not cold,
Yeah.
locomotives are easy. Doing a little adjustment to the fire,
Yeah, I'm turning it down a bit because I'm
so the
raising in pressure.
so you won't have the pop valve go up.
Yep.
Then noise and the pressure will go down to
Probably about 150.
okay. Wait, it's the safety valves have a lower stop pressure than the start pressure.
They usually go off about 160 or so.
Okay.
I'm going to turn on the water to keep it down a bit.
Yes, this is a popular trick. It's also
Yeah, it's not recommended, but gotta do what you gotta do.
okay. Just beware that she won't prime when leaving.
Still red?
What's your favorite?
What's that?
Favorite locomotive?
Number 5.
Her new whistle?
What's that?
Due to her new whistle?
Yeah.
Is it the whistle from Cedar Point or something someone else bought here?
Not sure.
Okay.
Kara?
Okay.
I really don't know.
Yeah, I don't know either.
I would assume so. I'd have to look at images of it over there. That's assuming that in any of the images we have the same.
Yeah.
Some people think it's the same, some people think it's a different whistle and say that the original was a Buckeye and the current is a crossbuy.
Where did you learn all this stuff about the engine?
Internet, books, everywhere I can, including YouTube.
Wow.
I saw E.P. Ripley inside.
Yeah, you see the Roundhouse.
Yes, I know the Roundhouse is there. I always knew it. That's too bad there are no tools there.
Yeah.
That's, but at least we have those rides. In Florida, they do the opposite.
Oh, really?
Yes, they have Roundhouse tools, but no cab rides.
What got you into trains?
Don't know. It happened ever since I was born.
Cool.
Thanks. Monorail surprise.
Monorail.
I know. Kara, what are the easiest stations to start from and stop at?
I would say Main Street. Main Street has to be the easiest to take off and
Because there is no wheelchair ramp.
Very
And because the
flat.
track is very dry there. Yes?
very flat. Yeah.
This one is I think the hardest. Wheelchair ramp plus downhill.
Well, this one's easy to take off, but to stop it's actually kind of hard because you're on a downhill.
I know it's uphill from Frontierland to Toontown, steep at the Jamboree, downhill from the Roundhouse to Tomorrowland, and continue downgrade in the Grand Canyon, uphill in the Primeval World. Is the gradient proper right?
It's like a roller coaster.
I know.
So like here we're going downhill, and then halfway through the diorama we start going uphill again.
Okay.
Then after Main Street we start going downhill again, and then it's
So, but the sign at New Orleans Square stated 6 feet higher than Main Street. How are you going downhill though?
Oh, is it? I didn't even know. I have no idea. I thought we were going downhill, like along the jungle, but I guess we're going uphill.
Okay.
Yes.
Although that, I don't know. I always thought that they were like lower on the sides, higher in the front and back.
Yeah.
Okay. Fine.
Or that's just what the sign says. I
Is
don't
that-
know.
Yeah.
All you can easily take you're going up or down by checking where your throttle and Johnson bar.
Yeah.
I know if your throttle is open full and the Johnson bar is in the corner, it's uphill. Nearly closed plus company notch means down.
Let's look at our follower water. The water
Yes, I
never
know.
lies.
I know
Yeah.
that trick. When it's downhill, it's below you, and when it's uphill, it's above the where it actually is.
Right.
The pressure is getting low.
Yeah. That's okay. We're gonna be here for
A while. 2 minutes and 30 seconds.
2 minutes.
That's
There's
fine.
the bell.
Which means almost highball.
Right.
Wait, what did you say? Matthew,
We're
second?
smoking just a little bit. We're using the stack. And we're not supposed to do that.
What is this supposed to mean?
Means that we have smoke coming out.
Smoke?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just a little
I
bit.
hear that there's something interesting I heard is that everyone says light gray is smoke is normal except Disney.
Well, yeah. Well, the white smoke is good in general, but here at Disneyland, we have to keep it clear.
Clear, no smoke.
Yeah, if we were out in the real world in a steam locomotive, like
They say
gray,
gray.
perfect.
Turn the lamp on, okay?
Why don't you turn it on in the tunnels?
We do turn it on.
Wait, in the tunnels, day shift never turn on lamps.
Well, I turn it on because I have sunglasses on and they're prescription.
Okay. Kara, engineers that hook up in the diorama are rare. But of course, fuel saving is important.
How many more days are you here for?
2. The next day will be at Universal Studios, but after it you will see me again.
Do you fly out from Israel here?
We flew to New York, did a few national parks, then came here and we're going back to New York and from there back to Israel.
Oh wow. How often do you come out to the park?
Every 2-3 years I want to go at the temple. Oh no, be careful of the sprinklers. What?
I had to turn off my fire.
What? You have to turn off the fire?
Yeah, that's our whole procedure.
So how we will make it back to Main Street without a fire?
Well, luckily I'm at 150 pounds, so
So, challenge accepted.
Must have been something to Brett, I didn't hear them roaring or something. So it must have been like somebody trying it on.
I don't know. I only bell stopped once in the diorama when I was conducting.
Kara, remember, don't open it too hard.
Showing about. I have a lot. I had a lot. I think I'm okay. Excuse me, dude.
Wait, you're going to relight?
Not with you on the board, no. But I'm just gonna get prepared for it.
But let's see. Wait, and some matchbox to light it.
Unfortunately, while we're up here, we can't light it off, so we have to wait until we stop at the
Okay.
station to do so.
Fine.
Yeah, I can't light with you on board.
Okay.
Sorry,
Safety
bud.
first.
Look at this wick.
Wait, that's how you call it? But you have two. But why do you have two there?
It's just really big.
Okay. If you have a small firebox, you will use one.
What's that?
On a small firebox, will you use one?
Yeah, it's just one wick.
Okay. Wait. Is it fine that I'll continue videoing you relighting?
You have to ask Kara, I don't know. He wants to know if he can stand right there and watch me relight.
Probably not. Because we
Yeah.
really can't have anybody around. But
I'm sorry, we can't have you up here around the engine.
Okay, bye. It was fun.
But have a good one, man.
Thanks, bye.
Bye.